Let's travel to St Barthélemy or St Barths. It's a Caribbean island located not far from St Martin. The island is quite small and also hilly. It would take just 4 hours across the island on foot. I'm traveling there from St Martin, and to do that I need to get to the French side, as the boat that goes there leaves from Marigot. It costs around €100 for a round trip, and I am returning on the same day. I immediately understood that sitting on top was a mistake when the boat started going full speed, so I went downstairs. At first the ride was quite smooth, except the big wind, but once we reached a channel between St Barth and St Martin, the sea became really rough, with water flying around as the boat hit the waves. It was jumping up and down, and even sideways. This ride was really crazy. Some waves were so big they almost blocked the view to St Martin. Luckily, it's just 1 hour to travel to St Barths, and we are arriving in Gustavia port. The island was named by Christopher Columbus, after his younger brother Barthélemy Columbus in 1493. St Barths was also the only island in the Caribbean owned by Sweden. Okay, I got my rental car. It's in St Barths. Now I need to figure out where I'm going first and how to get out of this Gustavia city. My first stop is the western part of the island. There is a trail that goes down to the beach. This is officially the first time I'm seeing a wild turtle. Goats hang around here too. And that is St Martin in the distance. Okay, I don't have all day today, so just quickly looked at St Martin from the distance. It's time to drive somewhere else and see what else is there. There are these small cars on the island. The views are nice from here, and you can see the other side of the island. And that's where I'm drying next. Okay, so this is the other side of St Barths. All kind of crazy parkings everywhere, chicken running around. But since it's sunny, there's so many cars everywhere. It's not easy to park anywhere. Well, you can see the huge waves in the ocean. I'm not looking forward on my boat ride back to St. Martin. That was rough. The waves are crazy. Few people were seasick and they had to take these paper bags. It was really bad. Looks like I have all this beach for myself. There's also a pond here, and that is the highest hill on the island, reaching more than 200 meters. I guess it's time to check how the water feels like in here. It's actually quite hot, around 30 degrees Celsius, so it felt nice going in. But it's time to continue driving. This is the end of the island. The road starts going back towards the other side of the island again. Well, there's an interesting stone shaped like a heart with a lot of gulls around. Some kind of countryside of St. Barths, I guess. Narrow roads with little stones and stuff. Not really great for driving. But in general, it's quite easy to drive around here. It just gets pretty narrow in some places. This is a nice viewpoint near the road. I have reached the next destination. And not far from it is this beach, which looks really nice. Okay, we're next to airport, but just as I came to film something, all planes are gone. And even a helicopter left just a few moments ago. And because of this airport, it was almost impossible to fly my drone anywhere. I just made one short flight and that's it. I gave back my rental car and it's time to explore Gustavia for a bit before the boat back to St. Martin comes. Okay, so this is the other side of Gustavia. There are many expensive, luxurious boats in Gustavia port. Landing in St Barths must be an adventure, just like coming here with the boat. This local cat wasn't interested. Okay, it's time to go back to the port area because the ferry is arriving soon. I guess that's a normal Sunday here. This is what St. Barths looks like from a plane. It was an interesting experience to travel here. Thank you for watching and see you next time.